Atlanta airport. I got Xavier with me this trip, headed to Detroit. Delta graciously upgraded us to first class for free. Diamond is life. As a loyal Delta Airlines Diamond Medallion member, sometimes you get some nice perks like some free upgrade. I don't usually ever pay for first class because it's not in the budget, but hey, if you can give it to me for free, we definitely appreciate that. So let's check it out. Thank you. We have officially made it to Detroit. Rented a big SUV so we can carry a bunch of stuff to the Detroit location. And we got to get this thing set up as fast as possible. It's costing money every single day the store is not open. Think about that. So when you're setting up a store, you got to be quick. Every day you're losing money. All right, we got to go. We have officially made it to Detroit Airport. People are probably looking at us because of the camera. Xavier was asking about the camera. You know, does it feel weird, people looking at you because you have like a camera and you're talking to it? And I said, it's actually really good for you. I recommend everyone to do this because it teaches you not to worry about what other people think. People might think I'm crazy, but I don't care. That's how it's gonna go. And we're gonna make it happen here in Detroit. Let's check it out. We are here with Xavier, private label Detroit, and your first impression is?
It is just amazing. It's
not bad, right? Yeah, it's really nice in here, guys. So we have to get some security stuff done. See, they fixed my baseboards. If you watch that one episode, upcoming episode of Weave Dealer, they had two smaller baseboards. They got that all fixed. Looks pretty good. Got some boxes and other stuff to take care of. But this is legit, huh?
I like it.
We got some work to do, so we're gonna head over to Home Depot to go ahead and get these doors, and then I have a welder coming tomorrow. Because when it comes to security, Mikey don't play. Heading out of Lowe's, we are loaded up with some security doors here. I wanted actually a huge Suburban, and they didn't have it. And she's like, this is the biggest vehicle we have. And I was like, well, okay, I guess I'll have to take it. I was a little worried. And now it actually worked out better because we don't have this huge like bus of a vehicle. And I still got the security doors. I had to get the vehicle just for these doors. So,
Your discount.
And I got a discount for having the smaller vehicle. So mission accomplished, guys. It is Detroit, the Mikey and Xavier edition.
Yes.
Yes, indeedy. We are driving down Woodward Avenue, one of the main roads here in Detroit. We have an hour before we check in. Just give them like a nice view of Detroit, driving through one of the main roads here in the city. So tomorrow could be my biggest fear in the world, which is, do you know what that is?
Snow.
Snow, yes, Xavier knows. I am not a fan of snow. Ever since I left the DC area, I was like, nope, that's it for me. I think we might get snow tomorrow. So what am I doing today? I'm gonna take Xavier downtown here and show him around. It's very beautiful out tonight, not too cold. The scenes downtown is looking really nice. We are now over at Hart Plaza. I love the art pieces and everything else down here. It's just really, really nice. So I'm excited to show my guy Xavier because I think he's gonna appreciate it as well. All right, Xavier, I got a quiz for you. What country is that? Canada. Have you ever seen Canada before?
No, man. I've only seen it in pictures. This is the closest I've ever been.
Good morning, Monday. Before getting started on a hard day's work, I highly recommend some breakfast. So we're gonna go find some, and guess what? I got a little surprise for you. I know you're wondering. Yes, it's snowing. Let it snow, let it snow. Not like crazy snow, but in Atlanta, schools closed, businesses closed, everything closed if it snows like this in Atlanta. But luckily, we're in Detroit and Eggy's is open. Yes, let's go. Favorite coffee in Detroit, Madcap Coffee. Quick update. First today, I thought we had a natural disaster. I couldn't even record it. I bought the wrong size door. I got a 32-inch door instead of a 36-inch door, so that was horrible. But then I scurried back. I got the 36s right here. Just extra layer of security. Security is very, very important at private label. Me and Xavier are gonna grab some lunch, stop at Home Depot, get more supplies. It took us about an hour and a half of unpacking bins. You can see all these bins here, all these other bins here. It's unbelievable how much I've spent just in bins, but the place is looking good. Might as well show you a little bit of that place. The showroom is just stunning. We gotta adjust these lights. I don't know why they had them like that, but I'm gonna get a ladder, but this is looking stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, there he is, Mr. Xavier. Xavier, how are you feeling this morning? It is Tuesday. We are at our place of stay. Gonna go over to our favorite breakfast place, and it looks somewhat like a winter wonderland outside. So let's go take a look and see what we got. I gotta put on my gloves. Yesterday was a very productive day. Wouldn't you say so, Mr. Xavier? It was a busy day. We got all the bins, just these plastic bins. I talk about it all the time. How much money you spend on plastic bins when opening all these stores is pretty crazy. So we got the plastic bins put away. We met with the welder. Everything's good with the welder. He's gonna come later today. He says he can get it all done. I always ask my people who are with me, how much do you think they would charge? I said a fair price is probably $600. I usually tell people, you know, like a welder or construction, I said, look, I know you need to make money, but at the same time, I'm a business, so give me a break here, you know? I thought it would be around 600. He called me back, said 650. I said, look, we're good. Let's get it going. So let's take a look at Detroit. Had to put my hood on. It is cold here. Can't even see. There we go. We're heading over to my favorite coffee place. It's in Detroit. It's now probably Xavier's favorite coffee place in Detroit. Yeah, they're really nice. It's called Madcap Coffee. It's right behind the Shinola Hotel. Very well-known hotel here in Detroit. I can't see. Look at this. Got my Madcap coffee, decaf. I don't need to be too lit this morning. Let's go pick up our eggies. Back at Detroit Metro Airport, waiting on Xavier here, enjoying some coffee and breakfast at the Delta Sky Lounge. Make sure you guys have the right credit cards to get you access to this. Headed back to Atlanta. We are super excited about that. Xavier, sir, you ready? Let's go. Couldn't really film too much yesterday because a lot of the stuff we did was for building security, which I'm not putting out there of the come to the special stuff that we do. Xavier, I'm pretty serious about that security, aren't I?
Mikey don't play with security, man. You don't want to mess with him.
No, we got security like crazy. Ocean's 11. I watched that movie 13 times. Gate 34, which is going to be 18 miles down that way. Actually, no, it's actually right here. In Detroit, it's one really long terminal. Look how long this is. This is in the middle. It just goes on forever. It goes on forever. So like a lot of airports that have a bunch of mini terminals and maybe like, you know, 30 gates, 40 gates, this one just goes, I don't know how many this one has. I think like 70 or 80. Welcome back to Atlanta. ATL, headed back to the office now. Very successful trip in Detroit. We're excited to be back, fired up, ready to get these stores going. Headed to go get our luggage and then got to grab an Uber. The whole Uber ride to Atlanta, back to the office. I posted in the Facebook group that I'm buying a bunch of gifts for our staff from members in the group that sell stuff other than what Private Label Extensions has. So I already bought a few things. Going to continue to buy some things to show some support to those that support us. Real important.